Can a mother forget her baby at her breast and have no compassion for the child she has born? Though she might forget, I will not forget you. See, I have engraved your name on the palm of my hand. Isaiah 49, verse 16. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, in today's video, we'll be starting our 2 weeks clove and rosemary challenge. This challenge will last only for 14 days. We are basically going to be using clove and rosemary water throughout the 14 days. I'll be using clove and rosemary water to moisturize my hair for 14 days, and after that I'll be back to show you guys the results. As for today, we'll be prepping our rosemary water. The ingredients we'll be using for this recipe is clove and rosemary. Clove is one of the most effective herbs used for growing out the hair. Cloves contains a compound called eugenol, which can help improve blood circulation to the scalp and promote hair growth. Cloves contain antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta carotene, which helps prevent hair loss and premature graying. Clove water can maintain clean and healthy scalp. Rosemary, on the other hand, is equivalent to minoxidil, which is the most potent hair growth remedy. Rosemary improves blood circulation to the scalp, it reduces dandruff, it enhances hair growth, it fights scalp inflammations, it reduces breakage, it can also balance the scalp pH. If you've been watching my video, you already know how we do these things. So after measuring out all my herbs into the jar, I go in with hot water. Then I will allow this to sit till the following day. I prefer infusing my herbs overnight rather than cooking it or boiling it rather. When you do that, you're still retaining all the nutrients. After pouring my hot water, I'll just go ahead and cover this up and keep it aside so it will gradually infuse into the water. Anytime you see this video, you can decide to join the 14 days challenge. I'm still going to be talking more on the challenge as we go on in this video. So this is what our herbs looks like the following day. The herbs has properly infused into the water. As you can see, the color has changed to dark brown. Now our herbs is ready to be used. We're not going to be spraying these herbs, okay? We're not going to be spraying it because we want to get everything into my hair. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to sieve this water and then dump it on my hair. That is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to sieve it and then I will dump it on my hair. So let's go on and do that. I am going to be using this water 3 times a week on my hair to moisturize. Instead of using water, I'll be using this to moisturize 3 times a week. I will do that for 14 days, which means I'll be doing it 6 times in 2 weeks. 3 times every week, 6 times in 2 weeks. So this is what my hair looks like now. It is very dry. Please overlook the braid. If you see this braid, you already know that I did this by myself and I did it in a hurry just to put on my wig. So please just ignore the braid. I know it looks bad, but then it's a protective style. It is protecting my hair. So let's go ahead and dump this on my hair. So that is exactly what I'm doing right now. I am pouring everything on my hair. I noticed that when I do it like this, my hair tends to absorb more water than when I just use a spray bottle to spray it. So this is actually easier and I get more water into my cornrow. By doing it like this, my cornrow intend to soak up the water more than when I just use a spray bottle. So I found out that this is a better way to actually moisturize my hair. I really love the result this mixture gives me every time I use it. I always see a significant result each time I use it, and if you haven't started using this mixture, clove and rosemary, for your hair, you are missing a lot because this will grow out your hair massively. This will thicken your hair. This will make your hair more voluminous. You do not want to play on this. You do not want to sleep on this. Go now and prepare this mixture and start using it for your hair. If you're on your hair growth journey in this 2025, start using this thing, start incorporating this into your hair growth regimen, and you will come back and say thank you to me, because this is one of the most effective remedy to hair growth. So start using this thing today. What I'm doing basically is making sure my hair soaks up all the herbal tea. Even my tip, that part is not left out too, because it is important to keep that side moisturized so it won't break. If this my style is not convenient for you, feel free to do whatever suits you. Use a spray bottle, use an applicator bottle if you feel that works better for you. Not because I am doing this that you feel like you should do it. No, do whatever works better for you. So for me, I prefer doing it this way, so my cornrow will soak up the water. I am aware that some people need extra push to do things. So right now I am telling you, if you're watching this video and you haven't moisturized your hair, or you are still thinking, oh, I'm going to do this recipe to grow out my hair, go and do it now. Go and do it now. Stop wasting time. Go and do it now. Make sure you're doing it right now. As you're watching this video, start prepping yours. If you're doing it, comment I am doing it or I will do it. Okay, so our next step is to trap in the moisture. It will be fruitless to just use the herbs on your hair without trapping it in. So what you're going to be doing right now is to trap it in. We are going to be using the LOC method: liquid, oil, and cream. Now we've already done liquid, which is the herbal tea we just dumped on our hair. Now we are going to use oil. For those who uses oil, for myself, I don't use oil often. I'm not an oil girl. I don't oil my scalp most time, but for this video, it's been long I oiled my scalp, so this video I decided to use a little bit of oil on my scalp. So that is what I did, and I massaged it in, followed by a leave-in conditioner. I will also advise you to use a leave-in conditioner after this herbal tea, because the clove sometimes dries up your scalp. So it is advisable you use a leave-in conditioner just to moisturize your hair so your hair will not dry up. So that is why I'm using a leave-in conditioner for this, followed by butter. You can use any butter available to you. You can also use grease if you do not have butter. Grease is also a sealant, so you can use grease if you do not have the butter. For me, I'll be using my moringa hair growth butter. Please note that we have started our 2025 hair growth challenge. I know some people somewhere are still waiting for updates. We have started the challenge. Like I said in my previous video, the challenge is for you to pick a style that you can carry for 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. That's 3 months. We divided the year into 4 parts. We are going to be carrying this style for three months before we take it down, wash it, and prep our hair for another protective style that will last throughout 2025. So we have started it. This is my first style for the challenge, so this is just me creating content for you guys, but I need you to know that the challenge has started. I actually got my cornrow, even though the cornrow is not neat, but this will also work. So if you're seeing this video today, make sure you're going to get your protective style. Pick any protective style of your choice. It could be mini twist, it could be mini braid, it could be cornrow. Pick anyone that is best for you for the 2025 challenge. We are going to be growing our hair 6 inches in this 2025, and you're not going to be slacking. No more excuses, okay? No more excuses. Break out of that excuses. As I'm saying it, go get your protective style, okay? If you haven't washed your hair, wash your hair, prep it, do a deep conditioner, do a protein treatment. Get ready for 2025. Get ready to grow out your hair. So lastly, I just tuck my ends and put it away. So that is it for this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe before you leave and go get your hair ready for 2025 hair growth challenge. See you in my next video. Bye bye.